Okay, so in this problem, we've got a quadrilateral. They give you the four sides, 8, 9, 6, 5, and they give you its area. And then the rest of it says you've got a similar quadrilateral, and the longest side is 15. So that means that since they're similar, the sides have to match up. So the 15 here in the big quadrilateral, so I've got let's do this. Quadrilateral 1, quadrilateral 2. So in quadrilateral 1, I've got sides of 8, 9, 6, and 5. And in quadrilateral 2, I only know that the longest side is 15, so that matches up with the 9. So this one's 15. Now, it's asking for the area of the similar quadrilateral. Well, remember, if I know that they're similar, I can set up a scale factor. So the scale factor equals, and this is what we learned in class recently, it's the ratio of corresponding sides, or corresponding length, let's say. And this is all for similar figures. Right? That's one thing. And so if we call that A over B, then we've got a way of expressing it. And then if I square the scale factor, I get A over B squared, which is A squared over B squared, or one big fraction squared. And this is the ratio of the areas instead. Okay. Well, the 9 over 15, those are sides. So that goes into category 1. They're lengths. So 9 over 15 is my scale factor. Right? So if I want to figure out the ratio of areas, I got to square it. So ratio of areas is going to be 9 squared to 15 squared. So that comes out to be 81 over 225. Okay, so I know that for every 81 units of area for the smaller shape, I get 225 units of area for the bigger shape, right? So these are lengths, all here. And separately, now we've got area comparisons. Well, 81 for so every 81 units for the small, I get 225 for the big in terms of area. Well, the small area is 45, and the big area, I don't know. So here's your setup right here. That's what you can use to solve the problem, right? It's kind of like a scale factor for areas equal the ratio of areas. So now when I cross multiply, I get 81x equals 45 times 225. And then when I divide, it's going to be 45 times 225, and then divided by 81, and you get 125 out of that. So then this answer right here, 125 centimeters squared. Okay, hope that makes sense.